Some trials become known not because of a single moment, but because of how long the legal system must work to resolve them. This is Courtroom Explained, a calm look at how courts handle the most complex cases. This content is educational only, not legal advice. Today's case examines what became the longest and most expensive criminal trial in Georgia history at the time, the prosecution of Wayne Williams. According to court records, the case arose from a series of killings that occurred in Atlanta between 1979 and 1981. Public pressure was intense, but the court narrowed the trial to 2 adult victims to ensure a manageable and legally focused proceeding. First, prosecutors relied heavily on circumstantial evidence. This included fiber analysis, witness testimony, and surveillance observations, linking Williams to specific locations, rather than direct eyewitness accounts of the crimes. Second, the trial itself was unusually long, lasting nearly 2 months. Extensive expert testimony, evidentiary challenges, and defense motions contributed to both the length and the cost, as the court worked to ensure procedural fairness under intense scrutiny. Third, the jury was instructed to consider only the charges formally before them. While the broader investigation involved many victims, the verdict had to rest solely on the evidence tied to the 2 charged killings. In 1982, the jury found Williams guilty, and the court imposed consecutive life sentences. Subsequent appeals were reviewed and denied, leaving the convictions legally final under Georgia law. The legal lesson from this case is about scale and restraint. Even in emotionally charged investigations, criminal trials must remain focused on provable charges, admissible evidence, and the rights of the accused. How do you think courts should balance public pressure with procedural limits in cases of this scale? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you value clear, steady explanations of how courts work, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.